shall we go for next? See exercise 4.1 under exercise 4.1 the last question. If 4321 4321 into 22, when we multiply these two we get 95,062. If 4321 into 22 we get 95,062. Then fill the blanks without actual calculation. Without actual calculation. Right? So I'll repeat the question once again. If 4321 into 22 we get 95,062. So here 4321 is the multiplicand and 22 is the multiplier. When we then we get the remainder is 95,062. Right? So then fill the blanks without actual calculation. Right? So this is 4321 into 22. Right? So this is the first question. See, this is 43.21 into 22. This is the first one. So in this 43 is the integer part and 21 is the decimal part. It can be read as 43.21. So 43.21 is the multiplicand and 22 is the multiplier. When we multiply, when these two we get when we multiply these two we get see 95,006. This is the given. So after decimal we have two digits. So we can put the decimal from right to left after two digits, that is 950.62. So 950 is the integer part and 6 and 2 are the decimal part. So after decimal in the given remainder, so we have two digits, right? So 43.21 into 22 we get 950.62. okay. When we multiply, see, this is 4.321 into 2.2, right? So here multiplicand and multiplier are decimals. We need to multiply decimal to decimal number, decimal fraction. So decimal fraction. In the first example, we need to multiply. See, this is a decimal fraction into a whole number, into a natural number or whole number. But in the second condition, second sum, so we need to multiply decimal fraction to decimal fraction, right? So here C4 is the integer part and 321 is the decimal part, which is in the second multiplier. 2 is in integer part and 2 is a decimal part. When we multiply these two we get the given 4321 into 22 we get see, this is 95062, right? So when we multiply 4.321 into 2.2 we get 95062. We need to put the decimal after 4 digits because here we have after decimal we have 3 digits, right? So that is 3, 2, 1 and here 1. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. We need to put decimal after 4 digits from right to left. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So by putting 0 we get 9.5062. Here 9 is the integer part and 5062 is the decimal part. So 5 is in tens place, 0 is in hundredth place, 6 in thousands place and 2 is thousand 10,000th place, right? Then come to the third one. Similarly we get so the given integer number, when we need to multiply the integer number to the decimal. So we should get see 4321 into 0.222, 0.22, we get, see, this is 95062. So when we multiply 4321, 4321, it is a whole number, right? It is an integer, it is a natural number, into the given decimal 0.22. When we multiply 4321 into 0.22, we get the remainder is 95062. So by putting a decimal from right to left after 2 digits, so that is 1 2. After 6, by putting 6, by putting decimal, we get 950.62. So it can be read as 950.62. Here 950 is the integer part, and 62 in the decimal part. When we multiply these 4321 into 22, we get 95062. So here, see, we need to count the decimal part. We need to count the decimal places, decimal digits. So in the first number, in the first multiplicand, see 432.1, here one decimal point, and in multiplier, in the given multiplier after decimal we have 0 2 2, here 3 decimal places. So we need to add these two. This is 3 decimal points, and this is 1 decimal. So 3 plus 1, 4 decimal points. 4 decimal points. So we need to put decimal from right to left after 4 digits. We get, see, this is 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, and 4 digit. So by taking decimals, we get 9.5062. Observe these two. When we multiply 4.321 into 2.2, we get to 9.5062. When we multiply 432.1 into 0.022, again we'll get 9.5062. There is no any change between these two, right? And observe the first two examples, that is 43.21 into 22. So we get the remainder 950.62. When we multiply 4321 into 0.22, we get 950.62. So there is no change between these two. There is no change between these two. Is it clear to all children? Okay, then continue in the next class. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day.